Hey there, I'm Celia, French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new studio vlog. These past few weeks I was really busy, but I finally managed to bring you with me in a studio vlog. This week I received some new stickers and a packaging tape. I created a new sticker design and I started a new batch of clay pins. I created this sticker design a few weeks ago, but I'm usually waiting for sticker sales to order them. They are really cute, I love how they turned out. They will probably be in a sticker pack, but I have to decide which stickers are going to be together. I also received some tape that I ordered on Sticker Mule as well, but I didn't try it yet. It's a tape that you can activate with water to stick on your packaging. I'm also super happy with the result, it's kind of cute. Then this week I also create a new sticker design. Sometimes I'm starting from scratch, but most of the time I'm starting from one of my illustrations. So this time I started from this illustration. I did this cake a few weeks ago and I found it really cute, so I wanted to test it as a sticker. Then I finally started a new batch of handmade clay pins. Last time I did a test batch of tiny crystal and leaves, and this time I'm going to do an official batch of tiny crystals. I started by molding the shape that I wanted for the crystal and then bake it. Once it's all baked, I'm creating some tiny bases to fix my pins on because I need something stable to paint them. When they are quite fixed, I'm sketching the lines which are delimiting the faces of the crystals. I forgot to apply a base coat so the paint isn't staying in place, and I need 2 layers to have something clean. Once the faces are done, I need some white to line all the faces. It's a bit tricky, but I love this step because you're finally seeing the almost end product. The next step will be the glazing with some UV resin, and I also need to fix the pins to be able to create a real pins. But yes, it's almost over. At least the painting part is over. I'm stopping here for today, but I'll show you the glazing in my next studio vlog. Sorry to end like this, but I hope you enjoyed this studio vlog anyway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!